What up, homies? Lies here, aka Motor Bro. We're on the pit bike and we're gonna have some fun right now. It's a beautiful day out, approximately 72 degrees on this beautiful January 30th. I think it's January 30th. Yep, January 30th. So if I put this video up by today, don't forget to hit the likes button. Got the popo. Beautiful Saturday. Everyone's just working and doing their thing. Should I hit a wheelie for them? Pulling a wheelie in front of him. Look at this Honda right here. I like how he's going with the black trunk and like the purple oh, and the black hood. I'm digging it. Probably on them cut springs, but it's all good. Oh, baby. I almost lost that one. Holy crap, guys. I don't know if you just saw that wheelie, but I almost died. I was heading towards the car and I didn't have my foot on the brake at all, so I couldn't brake with my foot, and it was just I was running with the bike and I just started doing like a spin with it. It was just it was crazy. It was crazy. It's so crazy. It's hard to get like the instinct of when you're about to flip to slam on the brake with your foot. I usually want to take my foot off, which is no bueno. I feel like doing a donut right here. And that's how you do it. If you feel like doing a donut, guys, just do a donut. That was a beautiful donut. The smell of doing donuts in the sand is just, the soil smells so good. That's what people say about like burnouts. They're like, oh, the burning rubber smells so good. Oh, the burning soil smells so good, guys. Whoa. What you got? What's we got back here? Let's check it out real quick. Ever been back here? Chill. Just a little swamp. Oh my gosh. I forget what these are called. These right here, when they turn like an orangish yellow color, these are delicious. And you can just eat them from the trees. I remember when I was little, I used to always eat these. And they have a seed in the middle. I forget what they're called. See? Oh, here's one. Let's see these. Cheers. Alright guys, so I have some awesome news to tell y'all. As you guys know, I've been filming with the GoPro Hero 2 since I started this channel. The pit bike videos I film are all in the GoPro Hero 2, and I just upgraded to a GoPro Hero 3 Black Edition Plus, which I am beyond stoked about because like the quality is about to be insane. 1080p at 60 frames. I mean, we can get nice 1080 shots and still get the slow-mo, so it'll just be an awesome time in general, bro. Let's see if I can get a dope wheelie down this. My dog Lee. What up, Dad? What are you up to?
Making a roof rack.
For your car?
For the bus.
Fan? What? You're making a roof rack?
Are you recording right now?
Yeah, I'm gonna show them the bros.
Yeah, how many views you get? Like snowing and shit.
Yeah, fucking take some photos and shit, bro.
Oh,
Alright, as you guys saw, that was my friend Lee. He lives over here, and he was saying how he's going to California in his like VW bus, which is totally dope. He was just making a roof rack for it to hold his surfboards. Yeah, because he's into surfing, he makes boards and shit, which is awesome. But yeah, let's just keep on riding. I'm fucking freezing, it's getting colder out. It's approximately 65 degrees right now. Should I try it? YOLO, right? I'm sort of thirsty. Time to get a drink, guys. On point. Yeah, it is on point. It is good. And these golfers are looking at me like, what the hell is this guy doing? Ooh, that was a nice hit. Some biker gang. I used to ride around in the city with my top down. So you guys can see, there's not really an agenda today. We're just riding around, cruising. Scoping it out, guys. Alright, I'm gonna jump it. We're gonna jump it real quick. That was awesome. That's a nice little jump. Get off the green. I have no tread, so it shouldn't really mess up the golf course. A stand-up wheelie going on. Oh my gosh. Oh! Yeah, I couldn't do it. Maybe next time. Wheelie in front of the police? You betcha. The popo be everywhere. You just gotta keep your eyes out. I'm not sure what it is, but something's a little shaky on the bike. I might need to tighten some bolts or something. I did like an oil change like maybe a week ago, and I haven't really tightened anything since then. So there's a big possibility that one of my bolts are loose. She's holding together right now, so we'll be good. It's almost the end of the ride. I hope you guys enjoyed this ride. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Motobro ain't going nowhere. We gonna take over all YouTube, guys. Us broskis, we got this shit. Alright, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Stay motivated. Motobro out. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace! But yeah, if you want to see any of my other videos, you're a new subscriber, don't forget to hit the links at the end of this video. Alright, they're right here. Come on, click it. Click the left one. Click the right one. Hopefully there's 2 videos on.